as well as court fees, my lord. There is two petitioner, my lord. This matter, my lord, already adjudicated by the coordinate bench.
Yes.
And my lord, this matter is relating to my lord 2022 selection process, my lord, where my lord the petitioners have 2 degrees. One is that NIOS DLED and another is BLED. Initially, my lord, the board published a notification that whatever the degree you may file, and on the basis of that, at that juncture, my lord, NIOS DLED was the requisite qualification, and subsequently, my lord, in date of the Supreme Court verdict, my lord, that become they are not eligible, my lord. But the petitioners have both the degree, and in this regard, my lord,
Both the petitioners have both degrees.
Yes. But kindly
Till
take
2 years DLED course degree they have.
4 year BLED. But kindly take page number 5. I made a tabular chart in this regard.
Yes.
Era 6. Got it? Anikul Islam, petitioner number 1. Training details which was submitted at the time of form fill up, that is DLED from NIOS session 2017 to 2019, and other training details is BLED session 2017 to 2021. One is in that is distance mode and another is regular. And Sultana Parvin is also same. In this regard, the coordinate bench passed the order and that is tested up to the Supreme Court.
That's factually distinguishable.
Well, this is the order passed by the coordinate bench. Pardon my order. This is the division bench order. Copy the answer. And this is the Supreme Court in this regard. The one factual distinguishable is that, my lord, in that case, my lord, BEd was there, my lord, here DLED, my lord, NIOS DLED.
The coordinate bench order is an interim order.
Yes.
Opposition was directed to be filed.
Yes, my lord, interim order in this regard, my lord, coordinate bench directed because at that point of time panel was published. That's why board asked that because if they wants to inculcate this petitioner in that matter, Sumanto Kole matter, then that panel might be ruptured. That's why the coordinate bench was that you make another panel, my lord. So. And as an interim measure that they are eligible, my lord. That is the observation of the coordinate bench. Board agreed by this order. They preferred an appeal. They are also, they lose it and they preferred an SLP. That's why, my lord, I refer both that. Against that, board. I am asking for the same order, my lord. Same factual aspect, same law.
What is the order passed by the coordinate bench?
Passed on 2nd February 2024.
Yes, what is the direction and what are the facts?
Facts, my lord, facts is narrated in para 2. May I read, madam? Here also, the petitioners before the court can be segregated in 2 categories. The petitioner number 1 to 4 possesses BEd degree as also diploma in elementary education. That means both degree. And petitioner number 5 to 12 was DLED degree issued by the NIOS, that is exactly our degree, and also diploma from the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. Here, my lord, BLED, Bachelor of Elementary Education, my lord. So now, my lord, BLED is a training which is accepted by the NCT. Now, 2 courses is mainly accepted by the NCT. One is that DLED, another is BLED. The Supreme Court in Debesh Sharma matter, my lord, this says BLED.
What is the difficulty that you are facing now?
I am not considered in the selection process. That's my difficulties. Because I fill up the form and I will DLED. They are not considered because of by the dint of the Supreme Court order. board not considered NIOS DLED as a requisite qualification. But the petitioner have 2 degrees. One is NIOS DLED, another is BLED, Bachelor in Elementary Education. In the instant matter, Sumanto Kole matter, they are also the same fact. The petitioner was also in that case 2 degrees. One is which is non-permissible by the dint of the Supreme Court order, another is permissible order, permissible qualification, which is permissible as per the NCT. Now, my lord, because of that, at the time of form fill up, in the form there is one option. You can put either DLED or BLED. They put NIOS DLED as their qualification. At that point of time, when form fill up is going on, at that point of time, NIOS DLED was the requisite qualification, was the qualification accepted by the NCT. But subsequently, the Supreme Court order says no. NCT NIOS DLED is not a minimum eligibility criteria for the primary teacher. But the petitioner have both the degree. That's my case, my lord. And here also in Sumanto Kole matter also, there is the same case.
Yes.
21st of October 2022 was the recruitment notification. The timeline within which the candidates can file their applications were 21st of November 2022. Applications were filed. 14th of December 2022, the West Bengal Board of Primary Education as an examining body gave an editing option. Anybody can alter, change his qualification. This option was valid till midnight of 18th of December 2022. These 2 petitioners, they never changed or edited. They participated in the selection process, scrutiny verification done, interview aptitude test taken. 28th of November 2023, the Honorable Supreme Court in Jaiveer Singh declared their training qualification to be invalid. Consequently, they became ineligible. My lord, from 28th of November 2023, my lord, we didn't publish the panel. The panel was published on the 31st of January 2024 for the 2022 recruitment process. This publication of panel was under directions of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. My lord, between publication of panel, which is 31st of January, and Jaiveer Singh's judgment, 28th November the previous year, no objections raised by these 2 petitioners. After 31st of January, a batch of petitions were filed before a coordinate bench immediately by the ineligible candidates. That is the judgment which is being referred to and not relied upon. This petition is filed on the 28th of March 2024. Affirmed. My lord, we have recommended more than 8,500 candidates. The 2021 to 2023 DLED batch, there's a pending litigation. We have submitted the panel there in the Supreme Court. From the 2022 recruitment process, there is no more vacancies in our hand at present. And it is my submission that these 2 petitioners were fence sitters. They were waiting in the wings. They could have approached immediately in the month of February. My lord, things could have been sorted out. My lord, page 31 and 36, I want to show. 31.
Yes.
Training qualification. In the middle. 2-year diploma in elementary education, DLED, West Bengal, examining body NIOS. And 36. Similar thing. At this stage, my lord, there is no scope of any interim order. I want to resist this by way of filing an affidavit.
But then the coordinate bench judgment, how do you distinguish?
Coordinate bench, the petitions were filed. 31st, we published the panel. The petitions were filed within 2nd of February. This petition is affirmed. My lord, anybody can come at any point of time. There will be no end to the recruitment process.
I didn't matter. Not only that, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, anybody will come at any point of time after the select list is in public domain. Appointments, recommendations are over. But in this way, there will be no finality into the recruitment process. That's why I made this humble submission. There's no scope for any interim order. I want to resist this by filing an affidavit in whatever timeline my lord directs me, my lord.
May I submit, my lord?
Yes.
May I submit? Yes, my lord. In this Sumanto Kole matter, my lord, they not even yet acted upon this single bench order, coordinate bench order. That's why, my lord, they filed the contempt application. One thing. Second thing is that, but because they've not even published that second panel. Second thing is that, my lord, when it is came to my knowledge, because of that, after online application filing, my lord, its submission, the Supreme Court in Jaivir Singh, my lord, Supreme Court says that NIS DLED is not a requisite qualification. But how could I know that my candidatureship is not considered, which is this selection process is initiated in the year 2022? How could I know? When I not considered in the panel, thereafter I came to the court. It is came in my knowledge after publication of the panel. Until and unless it is public by the panel, how could I know whether I am considered or not? First thing. Second thing is that because they in coordinate bench order already passed, there is an interim order, but they not acted upon it. If they says all the post is fill up, that means when they tested up to the Supreme Court, my lord, that means they don't want to execute that order also. It is evident from their act. If they say all the seat is fill up, if they tested up to the Supreme Court, if all the seat is fill up, how could they accommodate this petitioners, the Sumanto College, all the petitioners? I'm asking for the same similar order, my lord, in this matter also. Because of that, they're not yet executed, and if they says all the seat fill up, that means they're not given enough importance of the court order.
Please come. The receipt showing deposit of deficit court fees is taken on record. Stop. The petitioners participated in the recruitment process initiated by